Moustafa Mahran. I'm going to talk about the project idea. It's a game. The game is consisting of 4 towers. Each tower contains 10 leads. The game has 2 players. Each player has 2 buttons. One button for making an existing lead down, and the other button is for making an extra lead on. These are the same 2 buttons for the other player. The aim of the game is that each player is assigned randomly a tower, and a random number of leads is on, and his goal is to make the percentage of each tower 50% of on leads. Here is the score of the first player. It's 2. That means that the first player succeeded to make 2 towers. The percentage of the on leads 50%, and the other one is 1, and that's all. Now my friend Ahmed Sawahel is going to talk about the connections.
Hello, I'm Ahmed Sawahel, and let me tell you some about our connections. We faced a lot of problems in our connections. First of all, because of the huge number of LEDs, the buttons, and the 7 segments, plus other connections. Therefore, we needed to use demuxes and inverters and a lot of stuff. If we take a look in here, in this big one, in this big breadboard, we are putting our demuxes, taking its inputs or the VCC from the Arduino, and then because the demuxes inverts all its outputs, therefore we needed to use inverters or NOT gates. So these in this small one, these are NOT gates, inverting all the outputs of the demuxes. Each NOT gate takes 6 inputs and has 6 outputs, taking ground and VCC, and that's all for the LEDs and the basic connections. And I'll let Hossam Ahmed tell you more about the 7 segments and the buttons.
Hello, my name is Hossam Ahmed. Today I'm going to talk to you about our 7 segment logic. 7 segment basically takes 7 bits as input, and according to that 7 bits, we are assigning the on LEDs in the 7 segment LED. For example, if you want to make 2 appears in the 7 segment LED, we just enable this bits in the Arduino code. And we have our buttons. Buttons basically is about taking input from the user to make the tower LEDs go up and go down. We have 2 types of buttons, up button and down button. And we take this input in our Arduino, and our code handle that. Also, we have our inverters. Inverters take 6 inputs and outputs 6 outputs. The outputs is inverted. Also takes VCC and the ground to make the inverter work. Now my friend Amer will talk to you about our logic in the code.
Hello, my name is Amer. I am going to talk to you about the code and our logic in this game. If my friend Sawahel would help me showing you the code. Okay. In setup, we are setting our inputs and our outputs. We also are setting our towers from 0 to 10. We have only 1 tower, as we are using demultiplexers to choose from towers to play. Okay, and here we are setting the number of on LEDs in the start of the game, and it is chosen randomly from 1 to 11 exclusive. Okay, here we are doing our 7 segment code. In the loop, we are just alternating between player 1 and player 2. Here we are choosing the number of the current tower or the tower which is on. The code is very simple. We are checking if it's tower 1, and down here if it's tower 2. we are just choosing select inputs in the demultiplexers from low high to choose the second tower. Also we are using the inverters there to choose it correctly. Here we are setting the on high and the low. We are looping to 1 second to give him the space to play for 1 second to make his decision with up or down for the current tower. And that's all. Thank you. And that's all. This is how we faced our problems in the implementation. And thank you for your time.